Meme coins have always been one of the fastest ways to make money in crypto, but here's the truth that no one will tell you up front. Being consistently profitable on the trading side is genuinely difficult. There are so many scams, so many rug pulls happening on every single coin. It's extremely hard to get an eye for trading. That's exactly why I stopped trading and I started deving instead. I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars launching meme coins instead of trading them, and in this video I'm going to show you the exact strategy I use, completely free, start to finish, nothing held back. Let's get straight to it. And obviously guys, I am the only guy on YouTube that does these types of tutorials. I will even do a live example by the end of the video. I've genuinely made millions of dollars in the meme coin market, all from deving, so I know what I'm talking about. Now, meme coins have always been a legitimate way to generate serious money in this space. That part is completely true. What doesn't get talked about honestly enough is how difficult the trading side actually is. It's hard to find coins that are not scams and that are going to go up. It's genuinely hard, okay? I'm pretty sure most of you guys know that, and the truth is that most people are not profitable when it comes to trading. But on the other side, the dev, all they're doing is launching meme coins over and over again, right? And then they're just dumping on all the traders. They're just launching and then cashing out when the hype is high, and they have nothing to lose because it costs nothing to launch a meme coin. It happens over and over again, and most people never stop to ask why. That's why I dev meme coins. Now look, the answer is simple. Trading puts you in a position where someone else controls the outcome. You are buying these coins without knowing the true intentions of the dev. And then, like I said, bro, I keep repeating, the dev dumps on your head. Now look, I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars in this market, and none of it came from trading. It came from launching meme coins, collecting fees from every transaction that comes in my coin, and then exiting on my own terms. In this video, I am going to be breaking down exactly how that works, live, free, no course, nothing held back, okay? And I will even do a live launch to show you how it's done from start to finish. And by the way guys, everything said in this video is purely for fun. It's all for educational purposes only. I don't condone any financial advice in this video. Cap. Now look, choosing the right platform to launch is the single most important decision you make as a dev. More important than the narrative, more important than the timing, more important than anything else. Now look, most people start on Pump.Fun, but the truth is that you will get no results. Those two facts are directly connected. Pump.Fun is overwhelmed with new tokens every hour of the day. The fee structure works against you. You don't control your own liquidity. And on top of that, your coin needs to reach a $35,000 migration price for it to level up to Radium. So what's the point? Instead, I launch my meme coins under Radium Dex, also known as the migrate section. There's more visibility, less competition, and it's way easier to convert people into your coin to buy it right after, okay? And yeah, that's why I launch meme coins on Radium. And look, to launch meme coins on Radium, bro, don't use Pump.Fun, use create meme.io. Every coin that launches on here goes to Radium immediately. No bonding curve, no nothing required. It just goes to Radium, reaching thousands of potential traders. Right now 12,000 people are online trading, so if you can convert a couple people to buy your coin, you are set, and that's enough to make your coin go viral. That's why people are using this launchpad to print. Now obviously there are multiple ways to make a coin on create meme.io. You can either create a whole new coin from scratch by using a narrative that you found online or some type of community or a project. You can turn it into a coin just by making it here. It's really simple and straightforward. Even a toddler could make a coin. Or you can use their free X tracker and turn tweets into coins, right? It's as simple as that. But in this video we will be using the copy trending coins feature. It's my personal favorite one. I make bank off this feature. Why? Because all these coins are all going viral. They all have a good narrative. They're all getting a bunch of attention on Pump.Fun. So instead of creating a whole new coin right from scratch, you can just copy one that is already working and vamp it back to Radium. That is a strategy, okay? And by using this plus Radium, bro, it's a masterpiece. Let's do a live example to see how much we can make. Now obviously, first of all, connect your Phantom wallet, right? That's the most crucial part. Then click on refresh if you want to, and then all the new coins will show up. Just copy one. I'm going to choose one randomly. Okay, so this one, the wood coin, click on copy the Radium, wait for your Phantom wallet to appear, and then obviously ignore the block. It's completely normal on every launchpad. Click on proceed, confirm, checkbox, confirm, and then the coin will be vamped, created, okay? So it should be soon. Boom. And if I go on SoScan for some proof, you guys can see that it's live 11 seconds ago. Everything is working. It's all legit. The website is legit. Now let's create our liquidity pool. Now here is where we create our Radium liquidity pool. Like that, we can allocate the supply, okay? Create the whole backbone of the coin. Like that, it goes to Radium and we have supply before everyone else. Now look, for the amount of coins for your coin, click on 90%. The preset right here should be here, okay? In the middle, click that. That's going to drop 900 million tokens. For the amount of SOL to pair, here is where you will be switching some of your SOL for some supply in your coin. Like that, you can make profits when the coin gets more attention and more buyers, okay? And that is exactly how you are going to profit as a creator. Now look, put 0.3 to 1 SOL, okay? You are not losing this. You will get this back once you exit or whenever you want. Click on create pool, wait for your Phantom to appear, and then ignore the block. Click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. After that, bro, click on the refresh button and then scroll down, and bang, the wood coin is live and your profits, all the metrics are going to be right there. And if you want to see how much you're up now, click on refresh. And as you guys can see here, we're up $161 in PNL, which means people are buying our coin and it's live. Now look, go on any terminal to see your coin. I use Photon, and then the coin should be live. Let me just refresh real quick. And as you guys can see, guys, the coin is live. Let me go on full screen. As you guys can see, we are getting a bunch of fucking volume. So many people, so many transactions are coming in and out. This is exactly what we like for our coin. It's actually insane. Okay, it's doing a bit bad right now, but it's not a big deal. Okay, if I had to guess, I think we're up like $500 to $1,000 already from deving. Now look, it's pumping. This is exactly what we need, okay? So many people are buying in. This is exactly what I like. 3k market cap. And by the way, bro, keep this in mind. This coin costed us $0 to create. And now look, so many random people are buying in. This is exactly why you have to start deving, bro. So I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to go up. When I come back after a couple minutes, I will show you how to cash out your supply. Alright guys, I am back and we are at the 13.1k market cap after like a couple minutes. Now let's cash out our profits, come back to create meme.io, and obviously, bro, click on the refresh button or the page to see how much you're up now. And as you guys can see here, we are up 2.2 bands from this meme coin. Click on the minus button to remove, do 100%. Then click on remove liquidity, wait for your Phantom wallet to show up in a couple seconds. Come on, faster. Ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm, and bang, bro, that's exactly how to dev a meme coin from start to finish. We made 2 bands, and look, in my Phantom wallet, the payout is immediately received, transferred in your Phantom wallet, and then you can flip that and do that over and over again with new coins, new narratives over and over again. Obviously, it's all for educational purposes only. The results will vary. Create meme.io will be linked down below, or just go on Google and type in create meme. meme.io, it's up to you. And if you want to win $500 like this guy right here, all you have to do is like, comment, and subscribe, and join my Telegram group down below for more info on the giveaway details, and good luck to everyone who enters.